Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to use Auto Invest. Auto Invest is a tool that enables you to set your investment strategy according to your chosen criteria and automatically allocate your investments to suitable loans on the marketplace. The minimum investment amount is 50 EUR and you can deactivate, reactivate, or change your settings at all times. You are able to choose from two already configured investment strategies, either conservative or balanced, or you can establish your own custom criteria according to your personal strategy. So how can you set Auto Invest to work for you? Log in to your profile and on the upper toolbar, go to Invest. The first page you will land on is the Auto Invest page. Here you are presented with three investment strategies you can choose from. As mentioned, the conservative and the balanced ones are already pre-configured. There is a short description of each strategy, but to see the criteria for each of them or to select one, click on View Details. To view the criteria before selecting the strategy, click the Strategy Details. Here you can see the interest range considered. In this case, it is all interest rates available from a minimum of 6% to 12% and beyond. Similarly, you can see the loan term, whether it's short-term versus longer-term loans that are considered. The countries this strategy considers as investment locations, the types of loans, and the repayment type. There are many criteria to ensure your preferences are well reflected, so you can also see what kind of LTV, security, and loan characteristics are included in this strategy. Finally, you are shown statistics of how many loans which meet these criteria have been published and how many to expect being published in the near future. If you would like to know more about each loan term presented here, such as LTV or stage loans, be sure to check our loan terms explanatory video where we explain each of these in detail. Now, after having looked at the details, to select the strategy all you have to do is enter the amount you wish to be invested per loan. Accept the terms and conditions and click on Apply Strategy. For it to be active, you must confirm it with your password. Once it is confirmed, you will see the status active next to the strategy. If you would like to reserve some funds to invest manually, along with Auto Invest, then you can easily do this by selecting this option, Keep Uninvested, and choosing the amount. This means that Auto Invest will not allocate all the available funds on your account, but keep the reserved amount you choose. If there are less funds on your account than what you allocated to Auto Invest, the strategy will become pending until enough funds are available again, at which point it will continue investing. Now let's see how you can set our own custom strategy. Select View Details under Custom Strategy. Here you can set the interest by dragging the dot across the bar, and you can see the rate being updated. The same works for the loan period. Just adjust the maximum repayment term you wish. Next, let us select the countries we would like to invest in. Similarly, you can select here what type of loans you would like your strategy to invest in and what type of repayment schedule the loans should have. Select whether you want to include loans with both first-rank mortgage and second-rank mortgage, or only one of them. Now, if you want to include refinancing loans and stage loans, then tick these checkboxes, or else leave empty. You can also set a maximum exposure per project, which means that if there are more stages of one project, and you set an investment limit, your Auto Invest will only invest in so many stages until that limit is reached. After that, it will no longer consider other stages from the project. You can do the same with a borrower, where you set a maximum exposure amount per borrower. Choosing to invest in currently open loans means Auto Invest will start making investments as soon as you activate it, into loans meeting your criteria that are already open on the platform. If you want it to consider only new loans that will be published after you activate the strategy, then you can select No here. Finally, you can again decide whether you want all your available funds to be invested by Auto Invest, or keep an amount reserved for you to invest manually. This can be always changed also after you activate the strategy by selecting it from the top of the screen. To confirm your strategy, you must accept the terms and conditions and enter your password. Once it is confirmed, you will see the status Active next to the strategy. When your strategy is not active, it can either be paused or pending. To pause a strategy, you can go to your selected one, click Settings, and choose Pause Strategy. Confirm the action with your password and Auto Invest will not be making any investments until it is unpaused. A pending strategy means there are not enough available funds on your account for it to make the investment amount you selected. It will become active again once enough funds are available. You can see the status of a strategy either on the Auto Invest page next to it. You can also see it on the primary market. To change a strategy or adjust the settings, simply go to the Auto Invest page, change the criteria, and save the strategy again. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Be sure to check our other instructional videos to get the most out of your experience with Estateguru.